Okay, so multiplying and dividing word problems. Last time we went over addition and subtraction. Now I will show you the difference in how to break it up. Pretty much the exact same way, except a tiny bit different. Now, right now I will show you my favorite way for dividing it. Now, let's go over division first. Let's say Linda has 2 sticks. And let's say she gets 3 times as more. And I'm not going to draw anything. How many will she have next? How many will she have now? And the answer is 6. Automatically, I get that. Now, you're probably saying, well, he knows his times table. No, I actually don't. I'll show you my shortcut for it. I said 3 times as much. So when I say 3 times, I think of 3 sticks. Now that's it. Now what I do is, now the thing is, this only works for some numbers, not all the numbers, but it worked for this kind of word problem. Just think of 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we all know this. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's pretty much the most basic you'll get to anything. But when we're doing this, just add, trust me on this, add 1 and you will get the right thing. You will get the right answer. 6. Now remember, I'll even do it for you. Here we go. I'm going to set it up. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this, let's just erase all this. This is the same thing as doing 3 times 2. And that equals 6. So that's a little math shortcut. Just think, let's say you don't know how to do any of that stuff, and all you need to do is do 2 plus 3, because that's what we're doing. 2 times 3, just think of it as 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now I'll do it with another problem. Let's just do it with a whole entire another problem, and let's see if it works. Now this doesn't work for all numbers, but it works for some, like I said. Let's do 9 and 4. Now, this one won't work because this is a more higher number. Anything lower than 10 will, work. So, this will be a little bit different. Let's say 9 and 4. 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the red box. And then we get 4. 9 times 4. So let's say Dan has 9 CDs and he wants to get 4 times as more. How do we get that without using any multiplication table facts? I will show you how to right now. Think of 9, the number 9. Nothing special about it. It's lower than 10, so it has worked evenly for this problem. Think of 9 plus 9, or in other ways, 9 times 2. We all know this problem. Now, some of us don't, but I mean, it still works. 9, it's 18. We all know this. Not all of us, but most of us know this. And then, just think of, there's a trick with 9s. I'm not sure if all of you know this, but think of 18 plus 10. 18 plus 10 equals 28. Now, tens are the easiest numbers to add by because all you need to do is add 1, and that's it for the tens digit, as we're doing it right now. Now, I will show you an easy way of thinking it. Just think of 18 plus 10 minus 1 equals 27. See how fast I did that? Really sloppy, but it's 27. That's the point. 9s, that's a trick. Just add 10 minus 1. So, do the same thing. But I know my my multiplication table, so I'll just do that. 18 plus 9 equals 27. And 27 plus 9 equals 36. And there we go, we're done. If you don't know your multiplication table, just add. Don't do, and one other tip, do not do 9 plus 9 equals 18. Okay, 9 plus 9 equals 18. Don't do that. All you need to do is 9 plus 9 equals 18. Then add the 9. Don't think of 9 plus 9 plus 9. Don't ever think like that. Do so step by step. Think of each number as a step. And then think of the answer of what I like to call the double step. And what the double step is where you start off from. So once you think 9 plus 9 equals 18, don't ever think about 9 plus 9 again. Just think about 18 plus 9 equals 27. 27. And then don't ever think about 18 plus 9 again. Just think about it like that. That's the easiest way to solve word problems. Now let's think about division. Now I sort of made a mess everywhere here. Let me just get some space over here. Let me just get some space over here. Okay, that's enough space. But here we go. Now with division, it's the exact same thing. Don't think about it as division. Think about it as multiplication. And if you don't know multiplication, then you think about it as addition. It's the easiest way to do word problems. Let's say Madison has 4 apples. And, no, hold on, this won't work. Let's do 24. But let's just think about it as 24. This is 24. Just think about that as 24. And let's say she wants to give it to 4 of her friends, and these are each of her friends. She doesn't want any, so she gives it to 4 of her friends. Now this is a big part, because if you say she doesn't want any, then that means it's 6 divided by 4. But if you just say she's gonna give it to her 4 friends, that's 6 divided by 5, and we go into decimals there, which you don't want to do. So if ever someone's giving it to someone else, you have to make sure you say he doesn't want any or she doesn't want any. So these are her 4 friends. So she wants to give it to her 4 friends. How many will each friend get? How many apples will each friend get? Now, think about this as multiplication or otherwise division. This is the easiest way. All you need to do for this problem is to think about it as 24 and 4. We have those two numbers. 4 times what equals 24? Automatically, all of us get 6. So we're just doing multiplication except backwards. Now, sometimes it might be the other way around. Rarely is division easier than multiplication for people. Always, most of the time, it's always multiplication is easier for people. But if you're one of those people who have division easier than multiplication, then you're automatically going to get this right away. But like I said on the last video, you have to split the word problems up into equal groups. You can't just jump from one section to another. So that is the easiest way to solve multiplication and division word problems. I hope this helped you with anything, but just to make sure, I will play one game on Sumdog to make sure you got it. So I'll be right back when I've logged into Sumdog. Okay, and I am back. I've logged into my Sumdog account. Here I am, and what I will do right now is I will go to multiplication, multiply within, where's multiply within 10? This is, okay. So I guess it's multiply within and divide within 100. So we'll do those, and we'll do tennis tiebreaker automatically. So let's see if this helped you. This is number 1. So let's see if you can catch up to me and overall do better than me. Sometimes it takes a while to load. Oh, okay, we already got a player. That's good. So here we go. Ooh, it's 18 divided by 2. Make sure to read the whole problem also. So, that's number 1 thing. 18. Ooh, sorry. I didn't actually try to do that. I was just trying to lower my volume. Guess I didn't pay attention there. What? What? Yeah. So, automatically he has 3 zeros. It doesn't say, but he has 3 zeros. So I need to make an amazing comeback here. Okay, let's do this comeback. Okay, we got this. There's no way we're gonna lose this. Ugh! So close, so close. Okay, 4-1 already. Remember, this one you have the advantage because I have to do this in a limited amount of time. Now, the link will be in the description for Slumdog if you do want to play this. This really trains your brain for a workout. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't explain how to do it, which is a big thing. But, I mean, like, it does give you, like, the beginner choice of it. Oh no, Knew I got that one wrong. Just knew it. Okay, let me put the volume up there. But, definitely go on to this because this will help you, not only math, but other subjects. Okay, so we're good. 5, ooh, just barely got that one ready. Okay, so here we go. He has 1 more point to catch up to me. There's no way he's catching up because I got the point right. Oh! Okay, here we go. Let it load. And it actually tells you how good you did. So, love that about Slumdog. It tells you what you need to improve on and everything. So yeah, that was multiplying and dividing word problems. So, anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this, and of course, let's get to the happy moment. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't like record the whole entire screen because I didn't go full screen, so you only see half of the screen. But I mean, it's still good, pretty good, pretty good. Love this happy moment. Hope you guys all enjoy. I'll see you guys next time.
What's up? This is Johnny Magtine representing UConn football. Trick shot video. Second level. Net here. Mark, move it back 10 yards. On the numbers. Back to the 40. You can only open the door to the Shankman from the inside. Let Mark in right now. I'm going to come back here and let Isaac in. All right. In case you missed it the first time, I'll do it again for you.
Just let him in.